Your iPhone screen is completely black. It's entirely unresponsive, and you're probably starting to panic about losing your photos, your messages, and your data. Take a deep breath. You've just encountered the dreaded iPhone black screen of death. I'm going to walk you through 3 proven fixes. Step 2 is a magic bullet that solves a software glitch 90% of the time. But if your phone is deeply frozen, you absolutely need to see the final step before you waste hundreds of dollars at the Apple Store. Let's dive in. First up, we have to rule out the most common hardware illusion, a completely flat battery. I know it sounds basic, but a critically depleted battery won't even show the low battery icon. It just stays black. Grab a reliable charging cable, plug it directly into a wall outlet, and give it exactly 10 minutes. If the Apple logo doesn't pop up on its own, try holding the side power button for 10 seconds. Still nothing? Perfect. That means we get to use the real trick. Unplug your phone and let's move to fix number 2. If your battery isn't dead, a low-level software crash has frozen your display. To bypass the software and force the hardware to reboot, we need to do a forced restart. You have to do this specific button combination quickly. Here's how. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Immediately press and hold the side power button. Keep holding it, ignoring anything that might flash on your screen, and don't let go until you see the white Apple logo appear. This usually takes about 10 to 15 seconds of holding. Once you see the Apple logo, you can release the button. Your phone is booting up and your data is safe. If you're still staring at a black screen, do not click away. Your phone isn't dead yet. It's like suffering from the port trap. Sometimes pocket lint, dust, or debris gets packed into the charging port. When this happens, the phone thinks it's charging, but it's not, and it eventually dies completely. Take a flashlight, inspect the port, and gently use a non-metal tool like a wooden toothpick to clear out any lint. Give it a quick blow to clear the dust. Now, plug it back into the charger, leave it for 15 minutes, and then perform the exact same forced restart combination we just did whilst plugged in. Volume up, volume down, and hold the power button. If you've tried all 3 of these methods and the screen is still pitch black, there might be a physical hardware failure with the display or logic board. It's time to visit the Apple Store. But for the majority of you, the forced restart just saved your device. Ever wonder how to fix notifications not showing on your iPhone? Watch this video now.